Hello everyone, welcome back to Reality Life series. So in today's video, join me as I unbox my new Kate Spade purse that I just got from a surprise sale from Kate Spade. Okay, so this purse went on sale, so it's not so expensive, and I'm so excited to open it up in front of you guys. So I'm just a little bit disappointed when I got this package because it was pretty much open at the back, and I'm sure Kate Spade did their part to wrap this box really good. So anyway, I'm just thankful because it's a lot easier for me to open this way since it's already halfway open. So here, I'm just gonna show this to you. So here's the shipping label, and this is how it came. Okay. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. This is how they pack it, and as usual they have this little ribbon wrapping tissue underneath. I guess that's Kate Spade's signature, or their way of like packing their items. So this is the item. It's another brand new item from Kate Spade. Last time I ordered yellow. That was the small TP small satchel, which I'm going to link it up here so you can check it out when I was reviewing it. Wow, I love the color very much because I didn't have this color, this kind of bag. It's kind of like reddish orange or orange red. I don't know how you do it, how you call it, but yeah. So it's a small size and it's perfect for spring fashion. Let me go ahead and it had a chain. So I'm gonna go take out all these stuffings from inside. So this is the inside, and it has a zipper and a care card from Kate Spade, you can see. And then I'm gonna go unwrap this chain so that you guys can see. Wow, I like this. I've always wanted a purse with a little chain. And this is the crossbody strap. I'm going to remove it as well. So let's go ahead and put it in here. Put the long strap and see. This is a perfect spring color. Okay. So like that, it's still a little bit long for me, but I can adjust it. Let me adjust it to like a shorter one. Okay, I like this short, like this. Oh my god! I love it. Love my new purse, so I may have to use this one because it's too small and it's super light. There it is. Like I said, the color is dark. I don't know, like it's a mix of red and orange. And if you don't want the long strap, you can just take it off and hold it. Anyway, I will most likely use this one with strap because I like crossbody bags. So it's like this without strap. Social. Ang social naman, no? O, diba? Gustong-gusto ko siya. Ang ganda niya. I think this is Safiano leather. So I'm speaking Tagalog. Sa Bisaya pa, nindot siya. Nindot siya nga bag. Ako dyan na siyang gamitin. Yeah. The original price is $279, but this is a really great deal, so I don't feel bad. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like watching my review videos for my new purchases, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!